Hi, this is Tin from techbranch.com, and today I will teach you three things in CSS, which is media query, box sizing, and third is a viewport. So these three things is very important to make a responsive website. So the first question is, what is a responsive website? So I want to show you a demo it here so you can understand what is a responsive website. So I have a three box contents, which is content 1, heading 2, and heading 3. Okay, when I switch these three boxes to a mobile devices, so this is the iPhone 5. Okay, and this is the landscape. When you click it here, just 50%, 75%, and you can see the content in mobile devices. It will looks like. Okay, so this is called media this is called a responsive website. So when we change the device, which is Nexus 5X, so you can see it here, it's look different. And phone iPhone, okay, just change it iPad, and it's look different. Okay, so iPad it will, iPad Pro, it will looks like when you change to a landscape and landscape to a portrait. Means your content is not overlapping to each other. So this type of the content will looks like this is called a responsive web pages and responsive website. So this will we can achieve using um, using a media query and box sizing, and last thing, which is I want to show media query viewport. Okay, so there's three things we will see today. Okay, and we will make this web page to understand these three things. So let's get it started. Okay, actually I forgot one thing. This videos code will be available on my site, which is krishnarathod.com. Okay, this is my site. Okay, my own site. You can download the source code of my video tutorials. Okay, so the source code will be available at here. Okay, after finishing this tutorial. So let's write a code. So I am in htdoc, and I have a file which is the box sizing. Okay, you can give it any name inside a XAMPP htdoc. Just drag and drop inside in your code editor. Okay, as we always do. Okay, like this. So you can see here, this is the doc type. This will represent, this is HTML5, this is HTML, and HTML is closing it here. Okay, we know everything it here, but the new thing I will tell you, this is the media query. Okay, so this is very important to understand it here. Just I'm removing it here. Just remove and Control S, and again just refresh the browser. In the larger device, means desktop and laptops, it's your website, it's no changes. Okay, but when you remove the media query, I mean just remove the viewport it here. Okay, just I want to show you, this is the viewport. Okay, meta tag viewport. When you just remove this line, Control S, okay, and refresh, it's nothing happen on a desktop and laptops. But when you when you inspect and see in the um, mobile devices, I mean just change the it will switch on a mobile devices. You just open your website in a mobile devices. So Nexus 5X, so this is not a responsive. Okay, so just 100%. so you can see here three columns, 1, 2, and 3. It's looking like I mean just looks like we are showing in a desktop. Okay, three columns. Okay, just refresh again and again. It's nothing it happen. Okay, it's nothing happen. just refresh, it's nothing happened. But go to your code and Control Z, Control S, and just refresh your browser. So you can see here heading 1, heading 2, and heading 3. Okay, all of the things which is are showing it here. So this line of code which is very important. Okay, it will this line, this meta tag is tell the browser you have opened this web page in mobile devices. Okay, so this is for automatically scale your website according to your device. Okay, just I want to show you one more time again. Just remove Control S and refresh, so you can see it here. Okay, in the 100% it's not looking good. Okay, but you just go back and Control Z, Control S, and refresh, so it's looking good. It's a perfect. Okay, so just remember that this line of code is very important. Okay, so now we will see three contents, which is div1, which is div1, div2, and div3. Okay, means three divs. We have a three divs. Okay, and div1, and have the class which is div. Okay, and div, and inside have heading 1, heading 2, and heading 2, and heading 1, heading 2, and heading 3, and some paragraphs inside. So all the three boxes, okay, all the three boxes is same, exactly same. Okay, so we have a body container. So this is the body container. Okay, this is, you can see it's highlighting, this is the body content. You can see here body container, its width is 100% and margin is 0 pixel auto. So this line of code, it's not important. Okay, the important thing is the box sizing, which is this one. Okay, so we will see a div. Okay, this is div, and okay, this is div, and div class, it has all the three boxes. Okay, div1 means div, and all the three boxes have the same class, which is div, this div. Okay, and it's 33.33% means 33.33% means when you add 33.33%, means it's 100%. Okay, you can add 3 times 33.33 plus 33.33 plus 33.33%. Okay, so it's 100%. You can see Control S and save 100%. Okay, and you just remove this Control S and save. Okay, so padding has gone. Okay, but when you put padding it here, just concentrate it. This is very important to understand box sizing. So when we add padding with the width, it means we are adding some extra width. Okay, some extra width means 10 pixel, left and right 10 plus 10 is 20 pixels. Okay, so 33.33 plus 20, so you can add, when you add a 20 means its width is will be increase. Okay, and when you increase means this is something like 34.33%. Okay, so because we have add the padding, so its width will be increase. Okay, and also we have add the border of this width. So you can see, you can think in your mind. Okay, means we are it will also increase the width of your box, means also it will automatically increase. Okay, you are giving it padding, means it will increase the width. Okay, you are giving a border, it will also increase the width. Okay, so something like this is 35.33%. okay, just suppose. Okay, 35.33%, something like. Okay, so when you add 35.33% 3 times, okay, so when you add this will more than 100. okay, more than 100. So more than 100, but we have a size of our device which is 100%, okay, 100%. So to solve this problem, we have a property which is box sizing, okay, box sizing border box. This will reduce your extra width which we have given by the border, by the padding, by the margin, okay. Remove the extra width. Width, we have a property which is box sizing, okay. Okay, just remove this, control S and refresh. So you can see here this is 35%, 35%, 35%. When you add 35 plus 35 plus 35, so it is more than 100%, okay. So to remove the extra width, we have a property which is box sizing, okay. Control S and refresh. So it's 33, means just it has only 33.33%. so extra width we have a give through padding and border, it's a remove automatically using box sizing. So now you have understood what is the box sizing, okay. And the last thing, which is the media query, okay. So media, what is the media query, okay. When our device max width which is 100%, okay, it means you are resizing, just minute, just inspect it, okay, and just switch to a mobile, switch to a desktop, and you can see here, you can see, okay, you have to see it here. When I resize the window, okay, you can see here this is 678, you can see it here 678, and this is 5, means 500, like something like, okay, this is 500, you can see here, okay, this is 500. When your device like this type of the when your website will come with this type of the device, means have the width which is 500 pixel, okay. So your style sheet will automatically changed, okay. So all the property which you have given it here, body, div, container, everything is changing, okay, means it's automatically reset, okay. And you can overwrite all this property using this media query, okay. So this media query you can put it different types of 920 and 1200, okay. Make minimum width something like, okay. So this, when your device is 500, okay, means like this 502, so we want to our all the divs, means all the boxes width, okay, is 100%, means it will show one by after, okay, not showing like a grid, okay. We want to see this boxes in a list type, not a grid type, okay, like this. We don't want to do like this, we want to do one after another, okay. So this will help you to understand media query. So we have seen media query here, okay. And we have seen viewport, and we have seen box sizing. So if you have a problem, if you have any problem, you can write a comment, I will reply immediately to solve your problem. And this video this code will be available on my site, which is krishnarathod.com. So next time we will come with a new thing, new video. Till then, bye, have a nice day, take care, bye.